Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your baby girl Mama. What's up? In today's video we are making puff puff, and if you want to know how I achieved this recipe, stay tuned and keep watching. So guys, to prepare this recipe, I'm going to use 1 cup of all-purpose flour. I'm going to add it in a clean bowl. After then, I'm going to measure a tablespoon of yeast, 2 tablespoons of sugar, half teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. Now I'm going to mix it together. The next step is to add in my yogurt, and I'm using banana yogurt for the recipe. It's optional, you must not use it, but I'm using it for this recipe. And the measurement is just 1 tablespoon of yogurt. So if like, you can use any yogurt of your choice. Then I'm going to mix it together. So guys, after mixing, I'm going to add 1 cup of warm water inside. Actually, the cup I use is small, so I added 1.5 cup of water, but the normal measurement is 1 cup of water. Yes. Right now, I'm going to give it a good mix until I get the desired mixture I want. Guys, you can also mix this dough with your hands, but as for me, I just choose not to. I prefer to use the spoon, so it's optional. So guys, this is a smooth mixture I want. Right now I'm going to cover it and leave it to rest for 15 to 20 minutes. So right now guys, I'm going to add my pot on the fire and add in the amount of cooking oil I need. So guys, it's up to 15 minutes and we are going to start the frying. And this is how the dough is looking. Yes guys. And before you start frying, make sure that your oil is not too hot. Otherwise, your puff puff will just be brown and the inside will not be done. So you have to watch out for that. By the way, if you are watching me for the first time, you are welcome to Mama What's Up channel. My channel is all about cooking, lifestyle, hairstyle, talk videos. If I see anything that caught my attention, I can as well film it. So feel free to join this amazing family. And if you are a lover of all these things I mentioned, Please, why don't you do me a favor by smashing that red sign that says subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I upload new videos like this. I normally upload videos on weekly basis. And if you are my OG returning subscribers, thank you so much. I see you. I really appreciate. So at this moment, I think the puff puff is ready. The next step is to take it out from the oil and put them on a kitchen paper to draw the oil out. So right now, I will still going to repeat the same step again. So right now the puff puff is ready and I'm going to remove it out from the oil. So guys, right now I am done frying the whole puff puff and here is the finishing part of it. So we are going to check our puff puff and see how yummy it's looking. I believe I've come to the end of this video. If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to give me a like. Please share to your friends. And don't forget that there is end stream that will going to pop out at the end part of this video. I would also like to hear your thoughts at the comment section down below if you enjoyed watching the video. Many thanks for watching. See you guys in my next upcoming video because as of now I am out. Ciao. Bye.
Yo.